In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link on Linktree. If you're new to Linktree, it's a simple tool that lets you share multiple links through just one URL, which is perfect for social media bios. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through adding a new link to your Linktree so it shows up correctly on your public profile. First, open your web browser and go to your Linktree dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, log in with your usual details, then you should automatically land on the main admin area. This is where you can see all your existing links and customize what appears on your profile. Once you're on the dashboard, look for your profile section at the top of the page. Just below your profile, you'll see an option to add something new. Click on the add button that appears below your profile. This is the starting point for creating any kind of content on your Linktree, whether it's links, headers, or other blocks. After you click add, a small menu will pop up with different types of items you can create. From this menu, choose the option labeled link. Go ahead and click on link. This tells Linktree that you want to create a standard clickable link that will appear on your public page. Now you'll see a field where you can type in the web address you want to share. Carefully type or paste the URL you want to add. This could be your website, a YouTube video, a product page, a form, or any other page you want your audience to visit. Take a second to double check the URL for any typos, because if the address is incorrect, your visitors might see an error page instead of your content. Once you've entered the URL, look for the option to confirm it. You'll see another button or option labeled link. Click on link to save and create your new link. After you do this, the link will appear in your list of links on the dashboard, and it should be active on your public Linktree profile right away. At this point, you can rearrange your links, change the title, or customize the look, but the basic link has been added. That's all you need to know to add a link on Linktree.